What does it mean to be on the way, here on the Camino? Many have already said, told or written much about it. It is beautiful, exhausting, teaching, lifelike, and so on and so on. And yes, that is all true, but, well, often it is also what we would call boring at home. You walk along, and around you it is neither beautiful nor ugly. The sun is neither shining nor is it raining. The way is neither easy nor exhausting. You expect something new around every bend, a new landscape, new adventures, but then there is just the sequel to what you already know, and in the distance just the next bend, and you just keep on walking. But sometimes it's these little friendships along the way. Sometimes it's just the rain that forces you to stop and take time for yourself. And then it is beautiful without really being beautiful. But then you get to a really beautiful place, and the sun rises somewhere far over the horizon and carefully colors the faded rain clouds in the sky. Then you appreciate it all, and it was all worth it. You make these little friendships along the way again, and you're happy about it. And then, when you no longer expect it, something really new is waiting behind the next bend. Something you perhaps didn't expect. And then it's beautiful without being beautiful.
Go on for another like 7 hours. Yeah.
Very
It was
short.
long.
It came from Serbia.
Really? Where are you sort of? Is that the south? Oh wow, okay, that's hot.